What is good, boys? We're back. Uh, I've kind of been like taking a break, but I'm getting like really bored of Bee Swarm. So like, I don't know if y'all read the title, but like, I kind of want to boost, like, legit, chat. Also, at Banana Games YTC, yo, bro, get back on the boosting, bro. Like, you're 33, bro. You fell off. Get to the top 10. But anyways, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, we're gonna be boosting. It's nothing crazy. It's just I'm bored. Maybe we can get a decent balloon blessing. I don't know. But you're gonna watch me donate to the wind shrine. If I don't get anything here, we're not boosting. But I think we'll get something. I have like a little bit of nectars. It's just gonna be really scuffed. Um, but what? Why am I crafting a? When did I do this? Okay. Also, my bum camera doesn't want to work, so that's why I don't have face cam. But bro, are we serious? I can't craft the purple potions. Wait, how many tickets do I have? Okay, you know what? Sure. You know what? Sure. 100 and... Sun! Okay. You know what? Now, am I going to use the field dice? I mean, yeah, probably. They're not that hard to craft. All right, look. Let me just show you. Wait, that's... Like, okay, loader dice. That's not even that hard, bro. Like, some light work. But I need to craft two... It's not even that big of a deal. Whoa, not three. Two? Yes, sir. Chat, I'm kind of debating on whether I should use a loaded dice or not. Like, yeah, I have 6, right? But like, is it really worth it? Alright, we're about to donate to the wind shrine. But alright, chat, wait, hold on. Alright, please. Please. If we don't get anything here, the whole boost is gone. Mm. Yes, okay, we got fine. Whew. Yo, we got some pretty good wins, chat. Alright. Next course of action. Do a little bit of gambling before. Now, I don't promote gambling, but I want to get that blue sky skin. So we're going to donate silver egg, please. And wait. Dude, Iraq B, come on, man. Wait, I get a loaded dice if I stack this? Wait, chat, do we stack that? No. We gotta stack these. These give 15%. Well, actually, hold on. I might stack that, chat. Okay. When did I get the tadpole? Wait, that's tough. Okay, wait, sure, bro. Sure. You know what? Might donate this, chat. Diamond cluster sticker. I bet. Oh, yes, sir. How much? What's my... 66! Bro, we're one away from 67. Oh my gosh, dude. I thought I had 66, 67. Okay, it's fine. Claim this. Alright, nice. Now we should have 24 hours, basically. Let me actually plant that back down. Alright, and then we go here. Bang, son. Alright, hold on. Just you wait a second. Nope! Oh, this boost is already scuffed. Chat, I have 0. Okay, you know what? Sure. Let's just go with it. Let's just go with it. Just go with it. Just run it, alright? I don't have any balloon blessing, but it's fine. It literally doesn't matter, okay? Who said this boost was supposed to be professional? I have a gift. Okay. I'm not using any of these balloons. And that. Okay. Loaded dice. Sure. And I didn't even get it. Alright. Wait, Joe. Okay, there we go. Pine tree. Bang. Alright, son. We're cooking. I think. Alright. We're boosting, chat. I'm actually gonna use one of these right now. Alright. Okay. Not that bad. Actually. Oh, son. We're cooking. Okay, wait. Hold on. It's pretty good. 400? It's not even that bad. Nice, yeah, we're going up in capacity. Sweet. Wait, did I just get a... Wait. What? This is so scuffed. No. That was a complete waste. We are not converting enough. Dude, I told y'all we did not have enough bubble bloat. Why didn't I think that through, bro? What am I... I'm such a bum. At least we'll get another pop star right here. Hold up. Guys. I may or may not have a Loker genuinely sober. Any second. Okay, there we go. Pop star. We low-key got it. Alright, get the cook going. The cook. Okay, we gotta fill up the balloons. How much time do we have left? 20 minutes. Oh, son. I gotta do that. Okay, whatever, it's fine. It doesn't even matter, bro. We're chilling. Oh, 194? That's not bad. Yo, chat, it's actually really good. We got this, like, end game dude macroing in the field. So, like, his tadpoles are, like, helping us out, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, hold on. 300? 4? Come on, get to 5. 6? 7? 7? Can we get a bill? 1 billion chat. Come on, walk in. Where's my bear morph? I need bear morph right now. Nah, I think we lost it. Please. Yeah, that's close though. Got like 8 something. Oh, that's not bad, chat. Alright, so I just came back from the thing. 42x. That's not that bad. It's pretty good, actually. It's better than what I thought. Let's just wait for these last couple balloons to come in, because you never know. Okay, well, I was kind of hoping for a 43x, but sure. That'll work. Come on. Bro, wood. Alright, sure. Alright, chat, let's see how long it takes to convert. Chat, it is almost done converting. According to my OBS thing, it's been like 15 minutes, bro. My holy horrible converting. Alright. But we got the blessing. I low-key want to see how much capacity we have. Like, I know it's not gonna be that much more, but... Okay, so we made... How much do we make? Like, almost... Like 350 billion? That's not bad, chat. That's honestly pretty good. Hold on, chat. You wanna see something? One of these days, chat. One day, we're gonna get on this one. The all-time blue pawn. We just hit 3 trail, chat. Like, man, if I would have boosted for like 5 more minutes, we could have gotten on there, bro. Trust. Dude, what? Like, nah, chat. Like, actually, bro. And then, the daily. Man, 224. Man, we were so close. I could probably get on the daily. Never. But that concludes this video. I just got really bored and I was like, oh, well, I haven't posted a video in a while. Let me just record myself boosting. So, yeah, be sure to like and subscribe, guys. And if you haven't seen my other videos, be sure to watch those too. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.